My name's Paul. I build furniture. I want to talk about the tools that I use to prototype stuff. I take a 3D scan of a space and then I prototype and model the furniture, in this case my dining room table, in the space. There's the real thing. I use this app called Polycam. It's free. It uses the LiDAR sensor, which is like a depth and ranging thing, shoot lasers, and a bunch of photos of the space. The cool part is that all those scans are at one-to-one real-life scale. You know, that's my living room. And when I bring that into something like Blender, it's that size. It's the real size of that space. And this is just the scan straight out of Polycam. You just dragged into Blender, this is what it looks like. I will clean it up a little bit. I just squish stuff out of the way. I'm just gonna be building on top of this. Here's the rest of the scene and a bunch of stuff. It's just a big built-in over here. Get into the materials, and then here's the real lighting. And that looks awesome. You don't need it to look like this to get something useful out of these tools. You just need cubes. That's that scan with no materials, no lights, nothing. I didn't know how big of a deck to make because it's a weird space and I just wanted to try some options. So that's what I ended up on, and that's what I eventually built. Or, this is on the other side of our house. I wanted to see what a fence would look like. My office, I didn't know how many shelves to put there or how I should do that. So I scanned my office, tried a bunch of things. That's my garage, and I wanted to see what it would look like when I knocked out part of the wall. It turns out, it looks awesome. That's the deck, and those are the shelves, and I did knock out that wall. Sometimes it's just trying a thing out.